Instagram new latest feature of Doodle in any Instagram chats. So hello guys, how you are doing? Welcome back to my another new video. Welcome to the SRTech YouTube channel. So guys, Instagram has launched another new feature of Doodle. So if you have updated your Instagram application, if you are using iOS or Android mobile, and if your Instagram has new update, or if you use beta version, then your Instagram interface may be changed from this to this. And now one new extra feature is added in your chats. So what is this feature? It is called Doodle feature. Doodle means you can draw anything, any text or any emoji too. You can draw anything on that particular Instagram chats while you are using your Instagram. If you are chatting with any person online on Instagram, so normally we do chats with everyone. So in your particular chats, you can send someone a doodle. So you can see here in my side, when you click on this plus icon in your chat or that message icon in this message box, when you click on this plus, then now it is showing another feature, new latest feature, doodle. So you can easily draw anything, any text or emoji, whatever you can draw that doodle, and you can also customize its doodle font, color, and its length, capacity, everything you can change, and you can send any doodle to someone on Instagram chats. So everything about this doodle feature and how can you use this and how to send someone doodle on Instagram chats, this I'm going to show you in my today's video. So if you also want to use this feature, and if you want to send someone a doodle in their chats by using any text or font, you can draw something and send it to them. So if you also want to do this, then just watch this video till end. And if you are in this channel, then please share, subscribe and like, and also press the notification bell icon, set it for all for my new latest videos updates. So without wasting any time, let's start our today's video. So to use this feature, the new update, what you need to do is just open up the Play Store first, and then you have to search Instagram in the Play Store or App Store. And if your Instagram is not up to date, if your Instagram application, so for example, now you can see here my Instagram is not updated. So if you also have update, then you first must update this Instagram application, and then only you can be able to get this feature of doodle. So first of all, I simply update my application. I just wait a little bit. Okay, so now guys, you can see my application has been updated. So now I just go to my mobile screen and open up the Instagram. And now after you update the application, now your interface may be changed. So here you have to go to chat. In which chat you want to use this feature of doodle, simply click on this chat icon, and then now you can see I have blurred for privacy reasons. So here you have to select any of the chats, any person chats here. So I just, for example, I go to my another account chat. This is my own account. Okay, so now guys, you can see here I have already used this feature of doodle. So if you also want to do this, what you need to do is just click on this message icon, and then in this below you'll see 4 options here: mic, gallery, stickers or GIF, and then plus icon. So just you have to click on this plus icon here, and after you click on plus icon, now you'll see the new latest feature of draw. So we have to click on this draw option, and you can also see new is written here in this feature. That means after the update of Instagram, this feature is added. So I just click on draw button, and now you can see now I'm using this draw feature. So you can write anything. I just write one subscribe, for example, yes you be yes, okay, only subs. And if you want to remove this, you can again click on this button. You can see this undo or undo button. So just click on this button, and then now this whole doodle will be removed. Okay, and you can also now choose the color option. Here are different kind of colors are available here. So I will select another color, for example red, and again I write LIKE, like this video. So I have write this from this doodle like. And guys, one again important thing, so here you can see this one cursor icon. So when you click on this cursor icon, now you can maximize the size of this text or doodle. So you can adjust the size also, big to small. So I just select this big one. Again I write here something, yes you be sub, and again this is big one. Now I will make this smaller. So I just down this low, and I again write here SOHEL, Sohel. Or if you want to remove this, then just click on redo button. Okay, So I have removed this, and you can again write any of the text. Now I will select green color, and green color. Now I write here HAND, hand, and you can select the pencil or pen also from here. Okay, here are different kinds of pen available. So for the size, you can select this side icon, larger or smaller or medium, it's your choice, you can do what you want. Now I want to remove this doodle. I want to remove, or sorry, what I say, I delete this doodle. If you want to delete or remove this doodle, then just you have to long press on it, and then you'll see the second number option, unsend. Just click on unsend button, and now you can see this doodle has been deleted or unsend. Now it is not showing here. So again I want to delete this upper one too. Just long press on it and then click on unsend. Now it is also unsend. Now another one too, another doodle, unsend. Now you can see I have deleted or I have removed all those doodles. Now no any doodles is showing in this chat list. So this is all about this doodle feature on Instagram, new latest feature of Instagram. You can use it the same like this. So guys, this much is the trick, this much is the way. Okay, so guys, you can see that this is the new latest feature of Doodle on Instagram. So if you have not updated your Instagram application, then first you have to update your Instagram app, and after just you update your Instagram app, then you have to check again, reopen your Instagram application, and maybe you have got this option of Doodle. So after you click on plus icon, you'll see the Doodle feature, and it is highlighted also new feature or something. Okay, so you have to check in your message box, and you can draw any doodle and send back to them on Instagram chats. So this video is everything about Doodle. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, and if you have any queries related to this Doodle feature on Instagram, then you can simply comment down below. I will surely reply your answers. So we will meet in my next video soon. This was for today. Bye bye guys.